guys, it's Chloe. What's up? Hello, how are you? Good to see you again. I am so excited about this video. I cannot tell you guys how long this video has been in the works. Oh my god. I might even look a little different in this video. The video was filmed months ago, August I want to say. This video has been a dream of mine to make. It's literally been on my video list for like probably 2 years now. And I know a lot of you guys are really young, so you might not know what the reference is from, but if any of you watched Lizzie McGuire, that was one of my favorite shows. I was obsessed with Hilary Duff, and in the show, she had like this little cartoon buddy that was with her all the time. So I thought it would be fun to kind of recreate this and make a little cartoon version of me. But before we get into it, time for today's 10-second challenge. So last week I asked you guys to submit a video of you doing a dance move in 10 seconds. So my favorite one was from Graciela. But before I show you guys, I want you guys to like this video, press the notifications, press subscribe if you're not already, and comment below your favorite food in the time it takes Graciela to show us her dance moves. And since this video is all about cartoons, for the next 10-second challenge, I would like you guys to submit a video of you drawing something, drawing anything in 10 seconds. And you can post those to Instagram, Twitter, YouTube with the hashtag 10-second challenge, and I'll feature the next one in my next video. Alright guys, I'm way too excited. Let's go. that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you're not already. You know the drill. And let me know if you want to see cartoon Chloe again. I can bring her back in like a different setting. Maybe it could be like me and my cartoon go to school. Let me know like what environment you would like to see us in together. Make sure to come back next Tuesday. I'll be posting a Jello themed video. I don't want to say what it is. I don't want to give it away, but it's gonna be awesome. And that is it. So I'll see you guys next time.